What's up, guys? This is Ben Orkel with PassiveAutomation.com, coming at you with another video. Wanted to talk today about the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Okay, so in the past couple weeks, ClickFunnels has definitely been there's a buzz about their affiliate program, and I wanted to touch on why the ClickFunnels affiliate program is an affiliate program that should be in your affiliate program repertoire. Okay, one of the programs you should be pushing. Okay. Number one, and two things up front, if you're into affiliate marketing or just a beginner or learning, there's two things you want in an affiliate marketing program, at least two. One, you want it to have a good commission payout percentage. So, Amazon's like 4, 5, 6%, not huge. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, 40%, okay? So if you bring an affiliate on, and they subscribe for the basic plan on ClickFunnels, which is $97 a month. I mean, your commission's $38.80, right? You bring 10 people on, you're making $400 a month. That's just on the low plan. They also have a plan which includes an email autoresponder. In that case, you'd be making $118.80. Okay? So one, as you're looking at affiliate marketing options and which companies to do affiliate marketing for, you want it to be a large percentage, no doubt, right? Okay, also, you want it to be recurring. So if someone signs up for ClickFunnels, as long as they are an active ClickFunnels account holder, you get the $38.80 every month. So I'm actually the #1 affiliate for something called the Deseret Bookshelf app, but all I get is a $5 sign up when someone signs up, and then after that, there's no recurring commission. So while it's great that I'm like the #2, I think, affiliate for that company, it's like, I would love to be #2 affiliate for ClickFunnels, where they pay out a recurring commission every month. Okay, so something that's important, one, is that 40%, that's unreal. I mean, you can't find any company that'll do better than 40%, I don't think. Okay, second, obviously, we mentioned you want a company that has recurring commission, and ClickFunnels does. They have recurring commission. Okay, something else that is incredible. Okay, what ClickFunnels does is, let's say you send someone to ClickFunnels for a free book. They have free books you can order and you pay the shipping. Okay, what ClickFunnels does is they stick a cookie onto that person. It's called a sticky cookie, and so wherever that customer goes in their journey, if they get an email a couple weeks later from ClickFunnels with a link to buy something, they buy it, that's attributed to your account. Now, what had happened in the past is ClickFunnels, if they did retargeting ads through like Facebook ads or whatever, and then they targeted an ad to that individual and they signed up for a ClickFunnels account, what would happen is ClickFunnels would then get, that customer and be under their affiliate ID. But there was some there was some a little rebellion among the affiliates, and so what Russell Brunson did, he said, fine, we are going to continue retargeting, and by the way, ClickFunnels, they spend $700,000 a month on retargeting ads, and they said if we retarget somebody that has your sticky cookie, you will get credit for that sale if they sign up for an account, which is unheard of. No one does that. They're basically spending their advertising money to get us accounts. So, we'll have, you can track, ClickFunnels tracks your referred affiliates, meaning somebody who kind of comes to the website, either signs up for something to get information or backs out, and so they just have their email. It's called a referred affiliate. So I currently have a couple hundred, about 100 referred affiliates, okay? As they're getting retargeting ads sent to them from ClickFunnels, if they sign up for anything, I get credit for it. So thank you, total no-brainer, unreal, just unreal. Okay, so that's another reason why you want to go with ClickFunnels. 4, this is a huge one. Okay, training. ClickFunnels just released an incredible training. Okay, they had a training for their affiliates, and it was called Affiliate Bootcamp, and it was a little outdated for a long time. What they actually did is they just recently revamped it, and what they did is Russell Brunson, CEO and founder of ClickFunnels, sent an email to their 98 affiliates. Okay, actually, that makes me think of something else. Let me get to this in a minute. So I'll talk about this next, okay? So Russell Brunson sent an email to the top 98 affiliates who are dream car winners. I'll tell you about that in a second. And said, how did you achieve your success? What did you do? Okay, of those 98, only 15, bam, 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 15 responded to the question, what did you do? How would you do it? If you had 100 days to do it again, how would you do it? Only 15 were willing to give up their secrets, but they did, okay? So you have 15 people all doing it different ways. There's Tyler Clark who did it through webinar. There's Spencer Meekum who did it through SEO. I'm trying to think of some other people who, Dana Dendricks, I think, probably destroyed his name, through like the Dream 100. They have all these different, Stephen Larson through, what was Stephen Larson? Just like super funnels, I don't know. All these different people doing it with different methods, and they're telling us their secrets. So what I did yesterday, I signed up for the affiliate bootcamp. There's a link in the top description. What this does, it gives you the most advanced training on how to be a good affiliate marketer that exists, bar none, okay? What they do is they'll send you an email every day with videos that break down. So today's Stephen Larson's breaking down, look, as an affiliate, this is what you're doing. There's ClickFunnels, and they know who their ideal client is. You don't need to worry about who their ideal client is. ClickFunnels knows who it is. You need to help the two meet. And he goes through who the ideal client is for ClickFunnels, so there's really no guesswork. So Stephen Larson tells you who you're supposed to go present ClickFunnels to. It's awesome, just in day one. And there's 3 or 4 more videos in there. Incredible training. Affiliate Bootcamp, completely free. And Russell even says in the intro video, look, this is not just to be a good affiliate for ClickFunnels. You can use this with any affiliate business. So guys, one of the reasons ClickFunnels is incredible is the training they give. So I'd encourage you all to click that link below, sign up for the affiliate bootcamp, completely free. You will not regret it. Okay, back to this dream car. What ClickFunnels does is they say if you reach 100 affiliates who are paying customers each month, they will give you $500 a month towards a lease payment for the car of your choice, okay? If you get to 200, you will get $1,000 a month, okay? There's a couple of buddies of mine, Spencer Meekum, James Hurst, they've done this a couple times over, and every month they'll show that screenshot of them getting $1,000 a month just for the car, not to mention the 20 grand or more they're getting for all their affiliate signups. But so one quick thing to explain, ClickFunnels did used to have a tier. They had a tier 1, which paid 40%, and they had a tier 2 at 5%. They actually just discontinued that last week. But what did they replace it with? They said, hey, all of our retargeting ads, all $700,000 we spend each month now, whoever the first person to be tagged with a sticky cookie, whichever affiliate that was, will get credit for the sale, which is just awesome, okay? ClickFunnels continues to come out with amazing products. They just came out with a funnel scripts, which helps you write all your sales copy for your webinars, for your emails, for your websites, for your sales letters. Funnel scripts, it's like a lifetime fee of $797. If you get 40%, you get $400 almost for having someone sign up there. So I'm just going to quickly break away here, take you through a screenshot of how you sign up for Affiliate Bootcamp. You come to the site, put your email in, and you scroll through and you'll see this is the email I got today, and it shows me going to Steven's video. Click on Steven's video and he walks through in a whiteboard all of his steps. Okay guys, hope that was helpful information. If you are considering ClickFunnels as an affiliate, you definitely should, because there is no other affiliate program that is better than this one. Also, if you don't, if nothing else, a sign up for the Affiliate Bootcamp is completely free. Incredible information, and information that really anybody who's starting out in affiliate marketing should take. I have an email list, and when I found out that this was live, the first thing I did was send a couple emails out to all my email lists and say, hey, guys, you need to take this course. You need to hear what these people say. You need to take notes. There's also a little book they have. All of these 15 super affiliates, they call them. They listed every day what they do for 100 days to achieve the success they've had. Okay, guys. Again, Ben Arkell, passiveautomation.com. Really think it would benefit you to sign up for this affiliate bootcamp training. And please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment telling me what affiliate program you think is the best if you have a differing opinion. I'd like to know what different affiliate programs you guys are involved with. Thanks for checking out the video.